Salutations and greetings, everyone. My name is ImagineUniverse, and here is episode 2 of M3 making Minecraft mods. And in the previous video, I showed you how to set up Eclipse, how to set up Forge, how to set up your Java, how to get it all set up to get it to this point where now when we click this play button, it'll load up a world and it'll give us this little example mod. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to make our own mod, and we're going to use this little example mod as a little template. And what we do here is that we just go up here, we click delete, get rid of the example mod, so then we can put in our own mod. We just go here and you click package. Then if you have a website, you can do com, you can do or, whatever the extension of your mod is, of your website is, or you can use like your YouTube username, just anything that relates to you. Like this is ImagineUniverse basics. Okay, so we click finish, and it gives us a little empty package here. You go to new. Then you go down to class, and this will be the basics class. You click there, and you're brought to this little page. Now, usually, I've seen other mod makers videos, and they usually make another class called a reference class, so that it's not all hard coded, so that like your mod version and stuff like that. But I'm not going to be doing that, because even though it's just creating another folder, it takes up space, and I don't really want to take up so much space when making mods, because even every little letter is a few bytes of code. So just making a reference class that's already like several bits of code, and it's just a little too much. So what we do here is that we go a few spaces down, we put this into a mod class, then we do little brackets, mod, and we'll get to that soon as we click this, import mod. And if it's from net.minecraftforge.mfl, you've got it right. What we do in here is we put in our references. So I don't know why that's still like that. Disable breakpoint. Oh yeah, it has to have an ID to it. But what we do is that we do public static final, and this will be actually no, it's public static string mod ID equals, this will be what the mod will come up as. So this is basics. We do same thing. Oh, go back. Public static string name. Actually, we gotta do final. Final string. Final string. Do a little semicolon there at the end. And if it does bold, italicized, blue, that means you got it right. So next we do another equal, quotations, nope, not that. ImagineUniverse's basics mod. Yeah, that'll work. Then we do public static final string version equals, I like to do something like this. It's sort of like the Minecraft convention. You got one dot what version it is and dot subversion. So we do that. And another thing is we gotta do public static final string MC version equals, this is basically the Minecraft version that this will run on, and this would be 1.11 in square brackets. And there we go. Now we go back up in here. We do mod ID equals excuse me, basics dot, then we go down to mod ID, and yeah, that's all right. And next we do name, same thing, equals basics dot, go down to name. Next we do version equals basics dot version. You see, this is what makes it a lot better than doing the reference, is because now it's all in one place. Now you don't got several folders that you gotta jump around into. All you got is this one file that has all your required information into it, so it doesn't take up space. And even though it might be a minute amount of space, if you like to do a reference, then you could do a reference, but I'm just going to do basics for this tutorial. Mr. Crayfish does the whole reference thing, so you can watch his videos if you want to, but I'm just going to do this. Now we get the final one, and it's accepted Minecraft versions. At least I hope that's what it's spelled like. Then we do basics dot MC version. Oh, back that up. And there we go. We got all our variables in there. They're all now they're all editable. So now if I want to like update this mod to 1.12, I just do that instead of having to go up there throughout the code. I can just do it right here. Or if I update this mod, I can just do that. Simple as that. Next, we have to what is it? Next thing we have to do is it is at event handler. And we do public static. Public static. What was it again? It was just there. Okay, I found out what it was, and it's actually public void. And we do init. And this would be in little brackets like that. Next we do MFL. Actually this would be pre-init. So you start out with pre and then you go on to the others. So pre-init. You gotta do MFL pre-initialization. I think it was I'm gonna check out what I got right here. This is the original one. Okay, yeah, so it is capital event, and then you do event. There we go. Then we do little brackets there. This will be everything. First, we also got import event handler, and then import. Come on, click. Okay, import pre-initialize. So now there's no errors. So this is everything that'll happen before the mod loads. And the next one would be because since it's pre, so the next one we would do would be another one. We just press paste, and this time we just do simply init. We take out the pre there. Initialization event, import that. Come on, click. There we go. Imported that. If it comes up there, it means it works. And then we do one more. Actually, I already have it. One more, and this will be, guess what? Post. So then we go here, post. Import that. Import post. And there we go. We got all those up there. And to make sure that this would work, what we do is that we do I think it was system.out print print. Oh wait, we have to do that again. System.out, and if you go over it, it does. Okay, so I believe it was actually, yeah, print. There you go. That's what you need. Is the top one is print ln, I guess. I thought it was like in, and this will be just have it say something like pre init. We just have it say that. Oh, come on. There we go. It'll say pre-init when it starts to come up. Copy that. Take that down there. Just put in init. And then finally, post init. And if we put this up a little more, we can actually see this when we actually run this program. So remember to click your MDK. And yes, always remember to save. Excuse me. And when it starts to come up, we will see it down. Setting up user. This is not good. Okay, so it's starting to come up. And right after it goes through all the events during here, remember you use. Okay, let's lower that down. Just wait for it to load up. And excuse me. I'll just wait for it to all load up. Okay, I found them, and if you just scroll right here, if it does std out, it sort of looks like shout out. There's pre-init, like I had it do. We got init, and we got post init. So there is your very first mod class. And as we go on to here, I'll show you that it works. We got Minecraft 1.11, and we got ImagineUniverse basic mod. And yeah. Oh, one last thing you also have to do is that you go to mc.info. This is when people start to look up your mod. And we gotta do all the stuff that we encoded into here and then put it into here. So up here would be basics. This will be basic ImagineUniverse. So ImagineUniverse says, I guess get rid of that. Basics mod. Okay, description. This will be the basics of Minecraft modding. Version, in here would be your version number, and that would be 1.0.0, and this will be the MC version. That's why I named it so. Be 1.11. URL, authors list to be the people who did this. So this would be ImagineUniverse. And I guess I'll add a credits. Thanks to the Forge team and Minecraft for making the mod coder development kit. Logo file, if you have a logo for it, screenshots, and some other things. So yeah. But yeah, you just then you save everything here. Everything is now saved, and this mod is now ready for the next video. And next time I will show you how to create items. I'll start off with items, then go on to blocks. Then soon I'll be doing entities and a couple other things. And yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more 1.11 mod tutorials. I still haven't seen anyone do anything with 1.11 just yet. Even M Creator hasn't updated to 1.11. So to my knowledge, I'm the only one doing 1.11 tutorials, so that makes me a little bit proud. And next time, I will see you next time, and may the universe be with you. Goodbye.